Can I use a pressure washer to soft wash? He feels confused, and that's fine. So today I'm going to show you how we can use this machine. Basically, when it came in, we could have used it as is right then. So what we have is a downstream injector. And the answer is yes, we can. So basically, we're on the part of, can I soft wash? Soft washing is mainly, the description of soft washing is basically as we're cleaning with a chemical. We're using soaps, if you want to say soaps instead of chemical, but we're cleaning with a chemical. And with that being said, you said you had a 4 gallon a minute pump. That's fine. That works great. And even like my pump here, the 5.5, basically with the 5.5 here, it came with the downstream injector and 50 feet of hose. All I needed to do is hook a garden hose up, go get me some pool shock, and put this in pool shock, and now I'm soft washing. I am putting chemical into my water. This is a 10-to-1, so it cuts at 10-to-1, and I'm putting soap on the house at that point. I'm putting chemical on the house, and that is what kills the mold and the crap. One thing that I did, I kind of got it set up here. I'll do another video of this whole setup all being done. But with that being said, this valve is just going to, I actually took it off, but it just quick connects right into here, and this goes right into a thing of soap, and this goes right out to your hose. And we do have to use the nozzles, the soaping nozzles, and that's why we use a J-rod, is so that way the J-rod lowers the pressure, because this thing does not work if we have high pressure. I believe it's like 150 psi. If we have more than 150 psi, this injector will not draw soap. It will not pull soap. So with that is why we need this injector here to make it go to pull soap. And so yes, we can soft wash with a pressure washer. Basically, what we're doing is on our gun here and our J rod right here. You can see that they have bigger holes. So these here will pull soap. This one here will not pull soap. So with that, that's because this is higher pressure. This gets up to, I think it's like 150, 200 psi, maybe 400. I don't remember what the psi is, but it gets up higher psi. Where these here have bigger holes in them, and so this allows us to be able to pull soap with our downstream injector. Now we can do that. That's one way. The other way we can do pull soap is through a X-jet, and that actually goes on the end of the gun here. That will clip in. Basically, it looks kind of like this. It clips in here, and it goes down into a tank, and usually it's got a little shutoff valve right here. And this we have to pull all the way around the yard. And I know we got it all nice and set up, but that's not absolutely needed. All we need is the pressure washer, 50 foot of hose, downstream injector, a set of J rods, and we are ready to downstream. We are ready to pull soap and clean a house. And that's what it's all about. I hope that answers your question. If you have any more, please don't hesitate to ask, especially in the Pressure Wash Help group, and I will get you some more answers.